Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FCEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Been doing this analysis on a very routine basis. Did it on Friday, so that's where these green line annotations are coming from. In fact, there's actually one even down there. What I'm going to do here is a little house cleaning, just get rid of these lines as the price has started to move itself upwards. I just don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But the big dynamic that happened this afternoon was that the price was just slowly making its way upwards, and then you had the final 30 minutes there where you got a good nice little green candle, and it's not like volume exploded, but overall you just get the sense that the price was just slowly and kind of in ninja mode today. That's really the best way to put it. Ninja mode, nothing boisterous, no fireworks, no hoopla, just slow and steady, slow and quiet, grinding to the upside. Now, does that mean that this thing is, exploding back above, into the high 80s? No such thing as a guarantee, but it definitely makes a very interesting scenario going forward, and why I think it makes a whole lot more sense now to start to focus back on this key area of resistance that has been talked about in the past, but want to get it mapped back out. And that's right up here at this 82-cent mark, where it was, rejected from the first 30 minutes today. And that's definitely a stubborn level. I mean, you go back to the history of the chart and you can see that exact level, the price struggled with it. And then, like I said, once again, struggled with it during the final 30 minutes. So while there's, like I said, no such thing as a guarantee, but it would not be shocking at all to see the price now drift itself back up to 82 cents. And whether or not it can break up through it, that remains to be seen. But that is definitely public enemy number one going forward. And the interesting aspect of that is if the price can get the high volume break, then the next key overall level of resistance not until up around the 88-cent mark. So there's definitely some room to run if the price can not only get up above or get to 82 and then get up above it. From a support standpoint, keep an eye on that purple line there, the 50-period moving average currently valued at 77 cents. That would be the ideal level of support, but more so from an overarching point of view for reasons discussed in past videos that I'm not going to discuss here because right now the price isn't even close to it, but that would be the 73 mark down there. But yeah, definitely an interesting way to start the week. Not necessarily the most exciting day, but like I said, ninja mode here. So we'll see if that's going to lead it to anything bigger or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.